Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Begin at your Mac desktop and open System Settings or System Preferences now. Hold the Option key while clicking Displays to reveal hidden settings. Select the specific display icon that represents your external monitor now. Look for a rotation drop-down that lists 90, 180, and 270 degrees. Choose 90 for portrait clockwise or 270 for portrait counterclockwise. Confirm the change when the preview appears, or cancel if the screen looks incorrect. Rotation appears only when the monitor supports it and Mac OS recognizes the feature. After selecting a rotation angle, the display shows a brief preview and a confirmation prompt. You have seconds to confirm the change, or the system automatically reverts it. Confirm the preview if the orientation looks correct and elements appear readable. If the screen goes black, wait for the revert or press cancel to restore the previous orientation. Repeat the process for each connected monitor that needs a different rotation setting. Always double-check resolution after rotating to ensure text and graphics remain sharp. If rotation does not appear, verify the monitor supports physical rotation and edit reporting. Use native HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C cables without adapters to maximize compatibility. Restart your Mac and reconnect the monitor to refresh detection. Understand that third-party apps cannot force rotation when Mac OS hides the option for hardware reasons. For stubborn displays, update Mac OS and monitor firmware before assuming it is impossible. If problems persist, try a different cable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.